Hate your 9 to 5? I'll walk you through the exact steps to start building passive income with your first dividend investment, even if you only have $10 to begin with. I've helped millions improve their finances, and in just 4 minutes, I'll show you how to make money while you sleep. Let's be honest, investing feels intimidating. Charts look super complex, everyone talks in jargon, and you hear horror stories of people losing everything. Maybe you've thought, one mistake and I'm done, or I need a ton of cash to start. This fear keeps people stuck in their day jobs, swapping time for money forever. But what if investing didn't have to be risky or complicated? What if you could own steady companies that quietly pay you cash every few months? I'll reveal the trick to achieve this in a minute, but you'll want the setup first. This is where dividend investing comes in. Sounds boring, but trust me, boring is good when it comes to building wealth. You're about to see why this matters more than you think. So what is a dividend? Simple. When a company makes a profit, it can share some of that money with its owners, you, the shareholder. That payout is called a dividend. It's like the company saying, "Thanks for backing us, here's your cut." It's cash that's usually paid out every 3 months. Dividends are known for being predictable and lower risk because they typically come from established, stable companies like utilities, food producers, or everyday household brands. Think Walmart, Coca-Cola, or Procter & Gamble. This next step separates beginners from pros. By the way, if this video is helping you, hit the like button. It helps more people find practical investing tips like this. You can pick individual dividend stocks, but that's risky, research-heavy, and easy to mess up. A simpler option is a dividend ETF or exchange-traded fund, which is a basket of many dividend-paying companies. ETFs clearly win because 1. Your money is spread across many companies, lowering risk. 2. Experts pick the companies, so less work for you. And 3. They're cheap and easy to buy through any brokerage app. Which would you rather have? One stock that might fail, or dozens that keep paying no matter what? The next piece connects all the dots. Here's how you can start building passive income with dividends. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Think of it as your bank account for investing. Step 2. Fund it. Thanks to fractional shares, you can start with $10, $50, or $100. The key is consistency, not size. Step 3. Choose a dividend ETF. Look for dividend growth funds with low fees, under 0.4% and ideally under 0.1%, and high yield, usually between 2 and 4%. Some popular examples are SCHD and VIG. Step 4. Buy your first share. Type the ticker, enter your amount, and click buy. That's it. You're an investor earning passive income. Step 5. Optional. Turn on DRIP. If you don't need passive income yet, DRIP reinvests your dividends automatically, creating a snowball effect where your dividends buy new shares, and those new shares pay even more dividends, and the cycle keeps repeating. Step 6. Keep investing consistently. Continue making monthly contributions, and the amounts will add up over time. Eventually, you'll have enough passive income from dividends to live on without a day job. But as long as you're working a day job, you must earn aggressively so you can build passive income fast. Watch this video to 5x your income using 3 unwritten rules.